Are you someone who likes reading books or just someone who would like to make some extra cash? In this video, I'll introduce you to 5 websites that will pay you to read books online. These websites are available worldwide and pay up to $50 for you to read and review books. I'll show you how to register, get started, and how much you can potentially earn. I will appreciate it if you can like, share, subscribe, and watch this video until the end, because I sometimes save the best for last. The first website on my list is Any Subject Books. This website pays readers to review and provide feedback on manuscripts. To get started, you have to go to their website and sign up as a reviewer. You'll receive a list of available manuscripts to choose from. Read the book and provide your honest feedback. You can earn up to $60 per review, depending on the length and complexity of the manuscript. This site is a great option if you enjoy providing detailed feedback and don't mind reading unpublished works. Number 2 is Online Book Club. This is another excellent platform for book lovers. So sign up as a reviewer on their website. Choose a book from their list of available titles. Read the book and write a detailed review. You can earn between $5 to $60 per review, depending on the length and quality of your review. Online Book Club also offers a referral program, so you can earn passive income by referring your friends or just anyone who's interested. I will move on to Kirkus Reviews. It is a well-known book review magazine that also offers paid reviewing opportunities. Here's how you can earn money with Kirkus. You first have to apply to become a reviewer on their website. If accepted, you'll receive assignments to review books. You'll need to write a detailed review following their guidelines. You can earn $50 per review. Kirkus is a reputable platform, and having reviews published by them can help boost your credibility as a reviewer. Readsy Discovery. Readsy Discovery is a great way to read unpublished books. Again, you have to sign up as a reviewer on their website. You will get access to hundreds of books for free before they are published. Write a detailed review following their guidelines. Each week, the most upvoted books will have a chance to be featured on their homepage and in the weekly newsletter. When readers enjoy your work, they can send $1, $3, or $5 or an amount of their choice your way. Booklist. Booklist is a website that allows you to earn money reviewing books online. Sign up for a free account on their website. Browse their catalogue of available books and choose one to review. Write a detailed review following their guidelines. Booklist is a great way to discover new books and earn up to $15 per review. There are plenty of opportunities to earn money by reading books online. Whether you enjoy providing feedback on manuscripts, writing detailed reviews, or simply want access to free books, there's a platform out there for you. I hope you found this video helpful. Watch my other videos on how you can make money online, even if you have no experience. I do all the hard work for you so that you can start earning money right away. Thanks for watching.